early attempts at getting elephant in the mouth. And we're using our hands to grab elephant, and the mouth is just kind of moving. Try up, and then we threw elephant down.
Get the elephant.
Can you get the elephant?
Get the
That's your
elephant.
hand. Yeah, it's hard work. It's hard work.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, it's hard work. Hi.
No cameras.
No cameras, no cameras. Please, I'm trying to focus, Mom. Yeah.
The paparazzi.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so photogenic.
Are you done playing? Are you done playing with elephant? Oh, that's right. There's elephant. Okay. Can you get it to your mouth? Can you get it to your mouth? Can you get it to your mouth? Use your hands. Can you get it to your mouth? Can you grab elephant? Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there you go. You got elephant. Now can you get elephant to your mouth? Look, lady.
Too much pressure. Too much pressure.
Hi.
No mas. No mas.